Welcome to our tutorial on BitBrowser, your go-to Android emulator. Let's dive in. BitBrowser allows you to run multiple accounts seamlessly on one device. Perfect for managing work and personal tasks. Easily switch between accounts without hassle. Gain productivity and efficiency. Access all your apps swiftly from one platform, saving time and streamlining your workflow. Worried about performance? BitBrowser's cloud functionality ensures lightning-fast operation. Ready to enhance your account management? Download BitBrowser today and start your journey. In conclusion, BitBrowser provides an optimal way to manage multiple accounts efficiently. Whether for personal or professional use, BitBrowser adapts to your needs. Join thousands of satisfied users who trust BitBrowser for seamless multitasking. Don't miss out. Make the smart switch to BitBrowser and unlock your potential today. Visit our website for more information and tutorials. Happy browsing! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.